Construction managers, we know your struggle. Juggling multiple sites, dealing with unexpected issues, and keeping everything on track can be a nightmare. That's why Impressit Solutions is here to help. Imagine seamless communication between your job sites and the main office. Instant updates, real-time collaboration, and critical documents at your fingertips. Our reliable internet solutions, cloud-based platforms, and secure VPNs ensure you're always connected. No more delays, no more miscommunications. Our VoIP systems promise clear calls even in remote areas, and our 24/7 IT support means we've got your back around the clock. Impressit Solutions isn't just an IT provider, we're your partner in efficiency and growth. Ready to transform your construction communication? Contact Impressit Solutions today and let's build a smarter future together.